Blinga, Miss Blinga. Miss Blinga, please, can you be on your best behavior, please?
What happened between the two and what happened?
Yes.
I don't mean chat too.
No, give them some time. If you want them in, give them some time, you know, give them some time.
You don't need to live good on the app. Not if you're arguing, is what?
Yes.
What's to ever happen don't happen already. You need to live good.
Yeah, we need to, yeah, I think.
You don't live like a hog and dog for a while.
It don't make no sense, bro. Two of them are woman, young, beautiful woman. You know, make no sense.
Two want to come and play a dummy game.
No, just give them time. Just give them time. Give them time.
I'm not playing any dummy game. I already told you what I told you, Jaden. You need to stop calling my name to this lady. Stop lying on me. I said that to you already. If you constantly keep on going on their live and telling them lies about me bringing them down, you have to stop it. It's not a good thing.
I'm going to stop that, Jaden.
Stop it.
All right.
Stop it, man.
I mean, I problem now.
If she not bring down nobody, can say that.
Oh, I mean, I problem.
Remember when the case, when whatever going on came up, I was reviewing it, and then when she said what she said, I said, you know what, let me leave this alone. You keep on going over there and saying stuff that I'm saying, and you know it's not true. Stop it. All I'm asking you guys to do, stop this fucking lies.
Okay.
Well, it's one of the son now, I tell you, we live good on the app. We don't have to live like a ganda. We are poor.
Listen, Jabas. Listen. You guys are the problem.
Who, me?
Yes.
I'm here.
You
I didn't even tell you
and
about
Jaden.
that.
When you guys go on their lives, you guys are keep on calling up my name, saying I'm this and I said this and that. You guys have to stop this. This is nonsense.
No, but since you tell us I never calling him to her yet, Miss Blinger.
Okay, well, Jaden then. Because they said Jaden was doing it this morning.
No, me not. I heard a situation about you and I was listening.
What situation you heard?
Jabas, you know I have flame? You know I have flame?
I have flames?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, man, if they on social media ever mix up on their coat with she.
I have flames. Supposed to. I have flex.
Thank you. So if you want to figure out nobody not call nobody name and go on like say they're not in a mix up, check out Ayaflex or Aya whatever. Yeah.
Oh, so you're saying Ayaflex and Miss Blinga, it was calling a name. You see? I don't miss that nothing. You see that, Jabas? You see that?
Ayaflex that problem then.
So Ayaflex are the problem or one of them?
But me just there to make it want to live good. Call it quits, no argument needed. You understand me? Not because.
Miss Blinga, is that true?
Yeah, we did Ayaflex and I was on live for truth, and we were reviewing the case for real. But guess what? No, there was 1,000,000 people doing it. So why Flex is the problem? Because even me, I said, Flex, listen, me can't bother with them, this, that, and the third. But when she started, she made a video. She made a video and called my name. So I said, all right, you know what? Let me stop because I don't want, you understand? So I just left it alone. I don't review anymore about those things. But a lot of people bringing them down and stuff like that. And I'm saying, no video is out there of me bringing them down. Not one. You understand me, Flex? Guys?
Yeah.
So, me I said, so why she not go class the people them are him not go class the people who are bring them down? So this is why I say, you know what, let me leave it alone. The lady choose her destiny, no law, blood clot. Me and this man, I've never owned this man yet in a real life. So I'm gonna stop this nonsense. So Jaden, what happened is my chat told me that she I make video for me. I mean, I said, for what? But what? I'm not gonna do this lady nothing. So them say, you did over there class with this man and I tell her, I said, me I said things about her. So I said, Jaden, why the fuck are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
I know me make she make no video for you. She did
it no matter if video make for me. Me just say, why you on live and you talk stuff where you know me not do? So that's why me confront you about that and I said, Jaden, you're wrong for this. Stop it.
But Miss Blinga, But Miss
Jaden,
Blinga, if I anything,
Jaden,
yeah.
you don't have anything to do with this.
Okay,
Alright?
thank you.
A person
Thank
try
you.
to blame you for make them own mistake. You ever hear about a person with reverse
Thank you, mommy.
psychology?
Thank you, mommy.
You ever hear
Thank
about
you.
reverse big education, but me do understand things. Now what she
Thank
do,
you, mommy.
use her mind on her crowd and make her crowd do the dirty work for her with higher flame or whatever. You understand me? She gloat on everything what happen. She act like that when she not talk about it, but she make her audience and who they beside her on the live do the talking for her. You
Thank you,
understand?
mommy. You know, say you're smart.
Okay, what I know. Why you mean you have strength for my audience then? Why you not have strength for the people them who are bringing you down? Because if you have a problem with Flex, I'm gonna tell him to stop it. Because that's how I am. So why you don't have strength for the people who are bringing you down? Now you say this, I'm gonna tell Flex to stop this nonsense. Flex can't come back over me with the name again. You understand? I saw me rest.
I have strength for the big woman who try to use the young boy. That's the
And
only strength.
who is that?
Boy!
Okay, so who me try to use?
Murder!
Who me try to use?
She talk to you, honey.
She will I know why she asked me question what she already
No,
know.
tell me when tell you say. Because what him a tell you, so you add him to the bring him to the live now, me could ask, me could reason. Bring him to the live, me could reason. Don't try to use the young boy. All I've ever done to that man is help that man, give him a platform and highlight and a spotlight. I don't know what you're speaking about, my love.
Honey, are true? Are that a year?
My love, not at all, not at all, not at all.
Alright, so this now go work, my love, because whatever I'ma tell you, him have to go come live and say it, and him know what time it is, because I seriously and truly, really.
You can't use no more police and try
Me
to
don't know why you
influence.
talk about
You can't use no
sweetheart.
police and try to frighten him again. You can't use the
Alright,
police and
listen
try
to
to
me.
intimidate
Hear
him
what?
again.
Listen
Yes.
to me. Alright, so uno start it. Uno start one up.
Wait.
Start one up blood clot start. Come see so no want war. Me
I don't
not
know,
listen this. Me not
Miss
look
Blinga, wait, no, Miss
no.
Blinga.
I'm not close to the lady. It was
But-
just
but-
started
but-
by everybody now.
But honey, now, cause
Narcos. Just as if you not use police to intimidate the young man, and that me say. That's all.
to use police to intimidate him?
Yeah. She use her police friend to intimidate him. You understand me? I threaten him, say I'm gonna lock him up. But anyway, YouTube channel. Yeah.
I want me a miss.
And Jaden, you did not say anything. As when I said, she did dip on the live with the person, Aya Flame, or Aya Flex, right? Of Aya Flex.
Yeah.
And as when I tell you, she used reverse psychology and she was there gloating, of course, and she in at the big life. So make she come over here and say, go on like she a goody two shoes, and but I don't do this and I don't do that. She's a liar. I'm telling you.
Blinga make it look like say and me start all of this when a she first and the higher flex you start call up on the name and a this one.
Okay. But
So
she
you
don't
don't
have to
plan
make
to live
herself
good,
look. Me not have nothing. Me not have nothing like say like squabble where go roll pan ground or whatever. But you do your deeds, you understand me, I go do mine too. You say you're an influencer. I'm an influencer also. So me feel like go there and me talk about the situation. Nothing wrong with that, just like how she go there and she keep her quote or whatever and talk about the situation.
Yeah,
so when
that's
she eat
true,
up
that's
herself, so
That's true.
Yo,
you understand?
Zabas.
I will get Jabas, are you?
Nah,
Yeah,
like,
man, good man. I want to go one and then give me some.
good.
Fix my face like man.
Zabas. Me nah lie na Zabas, but and the angle that good enough.
Yeah, she was so calm and intellective and just trust me. I'm proud of you, girl. You don't have to be shouting or nothing, but you were so calm and relaxed, and you dealt with the situation real good. I'm telling you, you were so calm. You came with peace, and I like that.
Thank you.
Yeah, you came with a little
family.
calmness, and I like that.
Family.
I
Thank
like
you.
that, Annie. Yeah, Annie, you clap that tea. Trust me. You were so calm, and you choose your word properly. Good pronunciation, big words. You handle it good, girl. I'm telling you.